Discover this is a stunning penthouse in the Cinco de Diciembre neighborhood, featuring breathtaking views and a perfect blend of comfort and style. Let's take a look inside. This two-story corner penthouse offers 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and incredible ocean views, a modern and private space designed to enjoy in Puerto Vallarta comfortably and peacefully. The living area is wide, open, and connected directly to large terrace with panoramic views of Puerto Vallarta. A perfect space to relax or spend time with family and friends. The laundry room is spacious and practical, with enough room for appliances, storage, and daily household needs. A dedicated storage closet provides extra space to keep everything organized while maintaining the clean design of the home. The modern kitchen is fully equipped and designed with clean finishes that blend style and functionality. It connects naturally with the living and dining areas, making the space feel open and welcoming. A convenient half bathroom is located on the main level for guests. The first bedroom includes a full bathroom, walk-in closet, air conditioning, and beautiful ocean views. Large windows bright in natural light, creating a calm and comfortable atmosphere. The second bedroom also features its own full bathroom and air conditioning. Bright and comfortable, it's ideal space for guests or family members. The entire upper floor is dedicated to the primary suite. It includes a spacious walk-in closet, a large bathroom with shower and tub, and a private balcony with stunning ocean views. At the top, the rooftop terrace is designed for entertainment. It features an outdoor kitchen, bar area, wind cellar, and panoramic views of the bay and sunset of Puerto Vallarta. The Malecón is one of Puerto Vallarta's most iconic attractions, known for its ocean views, public art, local shops, cafes, and vibrant atmosphere day and night. Nearby Viewpoints offers panoramic views of the bay, the city, and the Sierra Madre Mountains, perfect for enjoying sunset and Vallarta's natural beauty. Puerto Vallarta is known for its diverse culinary scene, from authentic Mexican cuisine to upscale dining and rooftop bars. At night, the city comes alive with live music, lounge, and a night option. The property is located just 25 minutes from the Puerto Vallarta International Airport. When the sun goes down, Vallarta nightlife comes alive with clubs, live music, and beachfront lounges. If you like this property, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like to see more homes like this, visit maxlifepb.com. Thank you for watching.